Someone want to tell everyone what we do in our free time?
Like right here, okay?
Okay.
Like right there.
Got it.
That sounded like it hurt.
Oh, that was the sin.
Like right there.
Right there, okay, right there.
Oh my Yeah, don't hit the cameraman. Sorry. How could you do that to someone?
Do it one more time. Okay, one more.
That's more than one. Okay, Jacqueline, your turn. Jacqueline's turn.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at it.
Jacqueline, ready? Let's see if your face moves. If I hit your face.
Let's see if your camera
Here,
breaks.
give me the camera now. I'll probably like, I don't know how hard I'm supposed to hit this. Where am I supposed to hit it and how hard?
Is it like right there? Right there.
I'm gonna end up like letting go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Do it again. No, that was the sin.
Sorry, like up more?
Yeah, up more.
I don't like doing this to someone.
Oh my god.
I don't like doing this to someone. Haley, you do it.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, great. That's gonna get me back.
Okay, hold on. Where did you hit it at? No, like where did you hit it with the shoe?
Right along this side right here.
Okay, let's get back to the movie.
Okay.
What movie are we watching, Jacqueline?
Wait, I will.
Princess Diaries.
Who's in it?
Anne Hathaway.
No, not her.
Robert Schwartzman.
And he's important. Why?
Because he's in Rooney, and we're going to see them in like 2 days. Not 2 days, May 6th.
It's like 7 months.
I know.
Right, since today's March.
You're the one who said you haven't worn that shirt in a month, or in 2 months, when the concert was less than a month ago.
What shirt?
Oh wait, when do they show them? Do they show them at the beginning? Because I'll zoom in on
Hold
mine.
on, wait. Those. When she goes to school and she gets that on.
Oh, it's blurry. Look, that's stop motion. Nah. Oh, let me watch a video of you.
No, thanks.
No. Who's gonna set me?
I didn't know Whitney Houston produced this movie.
What? Whitney Houston.
Who's she?
What do you do?
You got that on tape.
Lana?
Montana.
No, it was Lana Anna Fontana. Hurry up, I wanna see. Off the wall. Jeremiah Hair Glare. I couldn't say his name.
Oh, was that Ashley Simpson?
Oh. Oh. Come on, you bumhole. Oh wait, we're not gonna get a good. Okay, wait. He's right. Right there. See him? It's not really good. That's where he's at. Oh wait, he comes up in here too. I'll just keep going. Can I like get in trouble for filming a movie?
I don't think so.
I don't care. They don't know who I am. My name is Jonas Zacklow. Find me now. Oh, never gonna happen.
Wait, can I see the camera for a second?
What's on the back right? Oh. I'm wearing my friend's shirt. Leia, please.
What? You never saw two idiots exchange saliva?
What?
Yeah. So rude.
Someone's trying to come in the door.
Second there, I thought you were going ape on me.
Oh, there he is, there he is, there he
I'm
is.
never ready for the base.
Okay, so